Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take macro shot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, open camera in your phone here, and then you have to go to macro option. Go to the more button, and you will see macro. Just click it. So here you can take macro photo. Okay, hold your camera 3 to 5 centimeter from the subject. Okay, you can also change here the aspect ratio if you want 9 is to 16 standard aspect ratio. Yes, you can select, and 1 is to 1 means square. Okay, then you have also full screen full screen aspect ratio. Okay, so here I select 1 is to 1. Okay, and see here, keep the subject 2 to 5 centimeter and take a picture. Okay, and I take another one. And also I take another one. So minute details will be enlarged in macro shot. See here, minute details are enlarged. Okay, see the pictures. Wow, 2016 coin. So for normal eye it will be visible very small, but using macro shot you can magnify the subject particles, elements of subject. Okay, so you can see every minute particles in the subject using macro shot in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.